how to fix Gameshare locked on PS5. Here's what you want to do. You want to go into the settings, click on settings here, then you will choose users and accounts. Then the first thing that we gotta do is scroll down until we see the other option, so just click on other, and then the first thing that you gotta do again is restore the licenses. So click on the game which you want to game share and just restore the license. So it's gonna take a little bit of time, just like that, and the license has been restored. Afterwards you will go back until you see console sharing. Again, in the other option you will see console sharing and offline play. Click on it, and here make sure that the option is enabled. So if it says disable, it means that it's currently enabled, so make sure that it is turned on, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.